What's up? It's me, Madison.
Say that you live and you live like yeah. She gon' mess with your head, oh yeah. And she'll flirt with your friends, oh yeah. Make you wish you were dead.
And then today I'm going to be doing a tutorial video. So I recently just got this bath bomb set and I had to do it with you guys. Basically it. Hi, and if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Madison, and I would love if you hit that subscribe button right down below. It's free and you won't miss another one of my videos. So yeah, it includes all of this stuff already. Oh, it comes with all of these things. It comes with 5 bath bomb mixtures, a pretty big packet of baking soda, some coconut oil, some dried flowers, 2 scents, some colored pigments, and glitter, and a mold. And since it comes with 5 bath bomb mixtures, I believe that you can make 5 bath bombs with this, which is really cool. So, the things you're gonna need from home: some water, some containers or bowls to mix in, a spoon, measuring spoon. This is a tablespoon. I need to get a 1/4 teaspoon. You need a 1/4 teaspoon. I just have my paper plates and a big mixing bowl. So we're first gonna get 1 bath bomb mixture.
A few moments later.
You're gonna pour 1 bath bomb mixture into your bowl. Then get your baking soda and you're gonna pour 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm just gonna eyeball a teaspoon. I think that's a teaspoon. And you're gonna wanna mix it all together. And then you also want to mix it with your hands so you can get rid of all the clumps in there. You can add the flower buds, so I'm just going to add those into it. It comes with 4, but that's okay. Then it says add a 1/2 teaspoon of powder. I am going to make a gold one. Make this gold. And if you need more, we'll add more. Okay. I'm gonna add the whole packet because I think that's how much you need. So I did the whole packet of it. It didn't actually make it a color, just still white. Now you're gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon.
Two hours later.
That was like really hard. Okay. This is like half of it. Now you're going to mix this into your your bath bomb mixture. So now that we have our mixture, you want to add 15 drops or a 1/4 teaspoon of your scent. I'm going to add lavender. 1, 12, 13, 14. Put it all together. You only add a 1/4 teaspoon of water. I don't have a 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm just going to eyeball it. You don't want to add a lot though. Trust me, do not add a lot, because it's gonna fizz too much. Now I made all of my colors. So I have the first one I made, which is the rose gold one. I have this pretty blue, like sea greenish one, and this pink glittery one. Now, you want to get your mold. Now, you're going to get your tablespoon, and you can just make different colors and designs. So I'm going to start off just getting this rose and putting it right at the bottom. I'm going to get both of the roses and put them right. You're just going to press them together and press them really hard together. Oh my god, that's so cool. So, then there is your bath bomb. So, it looks really, oh, okay. Make sure you're very gentle with it, or else that could happen what just happened. Well, you can either make more bath bombs or you can save them for later, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to bend my paper plates and pour all the excess product into it. Good. Just put lids on them, and then you can just store them. And I kind of have a big mess right now. And yeah, so I'll be back when I'm done. Thank you so much for watching my video. Here is how the conclusion of my bath bomb turned out. I think you want to keep it in the mold for a couple days just so like it doesn't fall out. But if you want to use it right away, you can go ahead. But I'm going to save mine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see, if you're new to my channel and you want to see more videos of me, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing.